Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you guys a quick wig review on this wig that you see right here. So if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned. Okay loves, so jumping straight into this wig review. This wig is courtesy of Janet Collection. As you guys know, they were kind enough to send your girl a couple of different units, and I think this is one of the last units that I received from them. And so this should be a very quick wig review because there wasn't much for me to really do to this unit, as well as it's not much for me to talk about, but I will give you guys the deets and my personal thoughts about this unit. So this unit that I'm rocking is from Janet Collection, like I already told you guys. It is from their extended part lace collection. It is in the style Athena and it's in the color maple. So just so you guys know, it does come with a Swiss lace, extremely deep part, as well as the heat resistant fiber, which it says it's safe up to 360 degrees, so you can put heat on it. And it does come in a few different colors, and only about 3 colors that are more on the natural side, so 1, 1B, and then a 2. And then it does come with some tape on the back if you do decide to, I guess, tape it down. I just chose to use my wig grip, so I didn't need the tape, but this is what the stock card looks like. The model is wearing it in the color Toffee Cream. So if you guys were interested in the one the model is rocking, it's Toffee Cream. I'm rocking Maple. So now for what I did to this unit, honestly you guys, I didn't do much of anything to this unit. This unit is pretty simple. You do have to cut the lace off of the unit, so that's what I did do, and I did put some powder in the parting space. Now I didn't realize that this unit, this color, was going to match my skin complexion like the way that it is, so I'm still trying to figure out if I like it or if I don't like it. But yeah, I'm trying to figure it out. You guys let me know, like, does it look complementary to my skin tone or is it clashing? Like, you guys let me know. But I did like the fact that it did come with baby hairs, and so these are the baby hairs. It came with very natural baby hairs. I didn't even feel like I needed to like swoop them down or lay them down. I felt like them just laying right there was fine enough for me. Now I did cut some baby hairs like on the side, like just right here, just because you guys know I like to put the hair behind my ear, and it didn't look natural because there wasn't any hair right there. So I just cut a few little pieces right here, and that's it. Also, I wasn't sure if I liked it in its natural pattern, but I knew that once I brushed it out, because I saw the model, that I was going to absolutely love it. So this is the unit in its brushed out state, and so I absolutely love it in its brushed out state. I probably would have liked it more in probably like a 2 maybe, but yeah, I still think that it's a cute unit. The length, it doesn't give you the length, but if I had to guess, I probably would say it's about maybe about 20 inches. It does go under my boobage area, but it does have some layers, so if you guys can see, there are layers in it. Now in the back, I think it actually goes a little bit longer, so now that I think about it, it's actually probably about 24 inches, but it does have layers, and the layers are probably like 18, maybe 16 inches. So I can run my hands through this unit. I'm only getting a little bit of tangling, which is to be expected because it is a synthetic unit, but for the most part I can run my hands through it pretty easily. So yeah, that's pretty cool. But yeah, other than that, you guys, it's really not much that I can tell you guys about this unit. It's really a simple unit, and so you guys let me know how you feel about this unit, how you feel about this color on me. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.